How to change password in AliExpress. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to change your password on AliExpress. First off, you're going to have to open up the application and make sure that you are logged into the account where you want to change your password. Now, all you have to do here is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner or the account section. Then tap the gear icon at the top right and you'll find something called profile here at the top. Just head over profile. Then tap on account information. Now, all you have to do here is tap on the password section down below and just tap on it to change your password. And once you tap on this section, you will get a verification code either on your phone number or your email, depending on what's primary on your account. And once you get the verification code, you could just go ahead and copy the code, then just paste it right here. Once you paste the code, tap on verify. Then you'll have an option to set up a new password and then confirm the new password. It must be 6 to 20 characters long with letters, numbers, or different symbols. Then finally, once you've confirmed your password, tap on the update password button and you should be good to go. So that's how you basically change password on AliExpress. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.